Welcome back. This is module number 2, Business Opportunities and Risks in the Age of AI. In our last session, we covered what AI really is and how it's reshaping businesses. Now we're going deeper. Where is AI delivering practical business results right now? What risks deserve your attention? And most importantly, how do you know if your business is ready for AI? We'll also look at smart ways to adopt AI strategically so that it supports your goals and not become just another shiny side project. AI is no longer hypothetical. It's delivering tangible results across key areas of businesses. Let's start with where it's creating value right now: operations and workflow automation. AI can automate routine tasks like invoice matching, reporting, or summarizing documents. It speeds up internal processes like meeting notes or slide decks using AI co-pilots. And it streamlines back-office workflows like onboarding or tech support with smart AI tools. Here's a solid example: AI-powered tech support triage. A mid-sized tech support center was overwhelmed. Most support requests came through email and voicemail, with very few or no live agents answering calls most of the time. Just a growing pile of unstructured messages. As ticket volumes spiked, even the senior engineers were dragged into basic issues, burning out and delaying resolution for the critical ones. So, they rebuilt their triage system with AI from the ground up. A multimodal AI routing agent now classifies every incoming request, whether that's from email, chat, or transcribed voicemail, and assigns it based on urgency and type. Self-service and basic support issues like password resets or setup questions, these are now handled 24/7 by a chatbot powered by a custom knowledge base. Technical support cases are routed to a voice AI agent which gathers more input, suggests resolutions, and escalates only if it's needed. As for level number 3, expert escalation, the vague, critical, or sensitive ones, these are now handled by humans who are now supported by AI co-pilots that preload ticket history, customer sentiment, and probable causes so that the engineers can focus on solving and not reading. The result? 24/7 coverage of level 0, 1, and 2 cases, fully automated with escalation safeguards. Senior agents are now freed up to focus on where their judgment matters the most, and triage time dropped by over 70%. So now, instead of reacting to ticket chaos, this team now runs a 24/7 precision-routed support operation. Customer experience and funnel acceleration. AI chatbots now qualify leads, answer frequently asked questions, and book meetings 24/7. It can personalize customer journeys and even detect frustration in messages to escalate support. Here's a good example: an AI-driven funnel that educates and converts. An online service business struggled with inconsistent lead quality. A good number of the prospects ended up on the site after hours when no one was available to engage. So they rebuilt their entire top of funnel using AI. A website chatbot powered by AI now greets visitors 24/7, answers common questions, and collects lead information. That data is automatically saved as market insights. Next, a content agent uses those insights to recommend or generate tailored videos and blog posts, while a human editor gives the final approval before they're published. Then, a setter agent reaches out, guiding each lead to the content most relevant to them and follows up when needed. The moment the lead watches the video or scrolls through a post, the agent tracks that engagement and can follow up to encourage full consumption. Once a lead is highly engaged, the setter agent shifts gears and becomes an appointment setter, offering to schedule a call or demo with a human closer.
Hi, I'm an AI assistant from ABC Solutions. We saw you watched our video on customer acquisition. Thanks for that. If you'd like to explore how this could work for your business, I can help set up a quick call with our team. Would now be a good time to schedule it?
Once booked, The closer gets a full summary of the lead's journey, what they read, watched, clicked, and asked so that they can jump right into value. The result? High-quality leads already educated and nurtured, lower acquisition costs, fewer wasted calls, and closers doing what they do best, closing with a full context and no cold starts. Decision support and forecasting. AI helps identify trends, forecast churn, and optimize pricing, empowering leaders to make faster and smarter decisions. For example, a mid-sized SaaS company combined billing data, support ticket trends, and product usage signals using an AI dashboard. The AI flagged enterprise accounts showing early signs of churn, but it also predicted upsell opportunities in engaged but underutilized accounts. The sales team did a proactive outreach on both ends. They saved clients that are at risk and upgraded accounts that were ready to scale. The result? Churn dropped significantly and expansion revenue increased by 20%, all in one quarter. Now let's talk ROI. What's the return on investment for all of these AI systems? Let's start with the tech support automation. By automating level 0 to level 2 tickets and reducing triage work for senior engineers, the company saved over 700 man-hours per month. That's nearly 30,000 in monthly value, with the entire system paying for itself in under 2 months. Now, take the AI-powered sales funnel. By capturing leads, educating them with auto-generated content, and handling appointment scheduling, they added over 30,000 in new monthly revenue, plus significant time savings from follow-ups and manual lead nurturing. This system also paid for itself in under 2 months and continued to scale with traffic. So, for an initial investment of around 50,000, both systems delivered 5 to 6x ROI in just the first 6 months. That's not just a cost reduction, it's business leverage on autopilot. Every innovation brings risk, but AI risks are manageable if you understand them and prepare accordingly. Let's go over the key ones. Hallucinations and fabricated outputs. AI can sound confident even when it's wrong. That's why human oversight is critical, especially in legal or customer-facing work. How do you mitigate this? Set up workflows where high-stakes outputs require review. This is called human in the loop, and you flag low-confidence responses automatically. Explainability and black box decisions. As a leader, you need to ask, can we explain how this model made its decision? This matters most in high-stakes areas like loan approvals, hiring, or healthcare. The mitigation? Make sure there's a clear record on how decisions are made, and if the AI itself isn't easy to explain, add a simple summary or checklist that helps humans understand the why behind the output. Vendor dependency and lock-in. If everything runs on a single, closed server, your agility takes a hit. Ask yourself this: can we export our data? Is there an open weight or hybrid path that we can take? The mitigation? Consider deploying AI tools on your own cloud using open source frameworks like Flowise, N8N, and vector databases. And yes, these options exist and they do work. Regulatory landscape and compliance. New laws are coming in fast. The EU AI Act of 2024 requires transparency and risk assessments. NIST AI Risk Framework is voluntary, but it's influential. Industry rules are emerging in finance, healthcare, education, and more. So if you touch customer data, compliance and privacy by design are a must. So you need to build compliance into your design, especially when handling personal data with consent, traceability, and explainability from day one. Bias and fairness. AI learns from data, and data has bias. You must evaluate, how does it treat edge cases? Are you auditing its output? The mitigation? Periodic fairness audits, use a wide range of training datasets, and involve humans in reviewing sensitive decisions. Before you start an AI project, check your readiness. Here's a simple four-part lens. Number one, culture and leadership. Are leaders curious? Do teams feel safe experimenting? If AI is seen as just IT's job, it's not going to stick. Number two, data readiness. Do you have clean, accessible data from customer journeys, support logs, sales funnels? You're familiar with the term garbage in, garbage out. Your data quality is your AI quality. Number three, skills and mindset. Do your teams understand what AI can and cannot do? Have you started upskilling them to work with AI? And number four is strategic alignment. Are you solving a real problem or are you just tracing the trend? If there's no business goal, AI becomes a distraction. So how do you adopt AI strategically? Let's walk through four key principles. Number one, start with clear ROI goals. Don't begin with the tool, begin with the problem. Ask yourself, do we want to reduce lead response times? Do we want to automate content creation? Do we want better reporting accuracy? Then look for the right tool to solve that. Number two, lean experiments with fast feedback. Run pilots and not full deployments. Start with a low-risk use case, then assign a small team, measure before and after, and then gather real feedback. Number three, avoid the tech-first trap. It's tempting to chase what's shiny, GPT-4, agents, open source stacks, what have you. But without clear business outcomes, you're just tinkering. You should focus on process improvement, customer value, or cost savings. Number four, build governance early on. Define the acceptable use, track risks, set ethical guidelines, for example, disclosing AI written content. Think of governance as data, decisions, and direction. It's not red tape, it's smart boundaries. Let's bring this home. AI is already delivering ROI in operations, customer experience, and forecasting, but risks like hallucination, bias, and vendor lock-in are real. Best AI adopters, start small, focus on ROI, build readiness across people, data, and culture. AI isn't plug and play, but with the right clarity, it can automate the routine tasks that slow you down so that you can focus on the work that actually moves the business forward. You now know where AI is delivering value, what risks to look out for, and how to assess your business's AI readiness. You're not just watching AI happen, you're learning to lead with it. In the next module, we'll connect the dots. How do you align AI with your core business goals? Where does it fit in your workflows, teams, and priorities? And how do you move from one-off tools to a real strategic advantage? But for now, take a step back. Is your AI effort just a tech upgrade or a lever for transformation? Let's keep going.